iPhone 12 Pro Max is a phone that can be said to be both great and has big drawbacks. In this video, I will review this interesting Apple flagship. Let's the video. This phone weighs 228 grams and its thickness is 7.4mm and its size is 6.7 inches and it is not a small and light phone. The back and front panel of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is protected with ceramic shield glass and the middle frame is made of stainless steel. The middle frame is completely flat. This flat design worked very well on other iPhone 12s, but on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, due to the size of the phone, it makes this device uncomfortable and annoying. But the body material is great. 3 camera lenses with a LiDAR sensor and microphone are placed in a square frame on the back panel, which is slightly different from the previous year, and its protrusion is not large. On the front panel is a flat display with a selfie camera, color speaker, Face ID, and infrared sensor in a large notch at the top of the display, and 82% of the front panel is the display, which is not good for the 2021 flagship phone. The display of this device is Super Retina XDR OLED with Full HD Plus resolution and it supports Dolby Vision content. The display quality is really one of the best and the color depth is very high. The refresh rate of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is only 60Hz, which is weaker than other flagships, but not as annoying as other 60Hz display. The brightness of this device is 1200 nits and its pixel density is 458 ppi, and there is no problem to see the content in it. The new iPhones do not have a Touch ID, but they do have a 3D Face ID that is extremely fast and secure. The main lens of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a 12 megapixels with the IBIS stabilizer system. The photos with the main lens have a very good dynamic range and sharpness and shows the details well. In night mode, the brightness of the photos increases and they also show the details well. Portrait photos are taken with the help of the LiDAR sensor. Portrait photos separate the subject well from the background and the details of the subject are not lost. The ultra-wide lens of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is 12 megapixels. Ultra-wide photos do not have a wide viewing angle, but their quality is very close to the main lens. The telephoto lens of the phone is 12 megapixels and has only 2.5 times of optical zoom, which is very low, but its quality is excellent. With the main camera, you can record 4K 60 frames per second video and Dolby Vision, which is great as a phone. Even the selfie camera of this phone is 12 megapixels. Selfies have excellent sharpness and details, but the dynamic range of the photos is medium. You can also record a 4K 60 frames per second video and HDR with the selfie camera, which is very good for the selfie camera. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has A14 bionic chipset and 6 GB of fast LPDDR5 RAM. The hardware performance of this phone is excellent and there is no lag or slowness in it. But although the RAM consumption of the Apple phones is excellent, but the lack of RAM is felt as a flagship phone. The back panel also gets hot during long and heavy use, which is a little annoying. The data storage system of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is NVMe, and its performance is lovely and without problem. In terms of software, iPhone 12 Pro Max uses iOS 14.5 and has software support for up to 5 years. There is a bit of lag in the software, but the choice between Android or iOS is your choice. But iOS has many capabilities that can be great considering the hardware performance of the phone. The battery of this device is about 3700 mAh, which due to the optimal battery consumption of the iPhones, the phone can work for up to one full day without the need for a charger. There is no charger in the box, but the iPhone 12 Pro Max supports a 20-watt fast charger, and it takes 70 minutes to fully charge, which is good and acceptable. But the iPhone 12 also has a magnetic charger called MagSafe, which does not have a good charging speed, and it takes 2 hours to fully charge. This phone has a stereo speaker that has a good balance between two speakers, and the sound quality and volume is excellent and even produces a little bass. Overall, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a great flagship that is not perfect but can be worth buying, but I do not recommend buying it if you have an iPhone 11 because it is not much different from the previous generation. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, like it. Goodbye, see you in next video.